In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the import command to use multiple snippets together. I have a snippet for my email signature and multiple email template snippets. I can use the import command to load the signature snippet into these email snippets. First, I need to go to my email snippet. Click on the Forms and Dynamic Content menu. Click on Import Snippet and choose the signature snippet from the menu. Now, whenever I run the email snippet, this bit of code will load my signature snippet inside it. Let's do it with the other email templates too. Note that if I make changes to the signature snippet, these will show up whenever it is imported. So I can update my signature anytime without needing to update all the other email templates. Let's combine import with a few other commands to get an idea of what's possible. Here, I'm using a drop-down menu to specify a shipping source, and then using an if command block to display the source address. I've created a snippet for each address. Based on my choice in the drop-down menu, the if command will give a different output, and pull the content from the respective snippet using the import command. You can learn more about how form menu and if work in the respective videos, linked in the description. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.